Your brain has its own cleaning crew, which detoxifies your brain during sleep. But here's the catch. Most people don't even know how to support it. Have you ever thought if you are giving your brain the right tools to detox itself? Welcome to Levitas. The glymphatic system is your brain's cleansing network, designed to remove toxins that accumulate during the day. It works by pushing cerebrospinal fluid through brain tissue to collect and flush out waste. All of this happens during deep sleep, when brain cells shrink slightly. This means that quality sleep is essential for optimal brain detox. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, works as a powerful antioxidant too, playing a huge role in brain health. It's produced in response to darkness and protects brain cells by neutralizing free radicals, acting as a shield for your brain cells, protecting them from oxidative stress. Melatonin also improves the glymphatic system, aiding in brain detox. But how can you boost melatonin for optimal benefits? To optimize it, focus on a consistent sleep schedule, dimming artificial lights in the evening, and avoiding screens before bed. Morning light exposure helps, signaling your body to produce melatonin at night. Also, foods like tart cherries, almonds, and walnuts are natural sources of melatonin. Additionally, good sleep hygiene habits improve sleep and brain detox. These include regular sleep schedules, a cool, dark bedroom, and limiting caffeine and screens before bed. Good sleep hygiene is a must when it comes to better rest and brain detox, promoting a more effective brain cleansing. Continuing. Sleep deprivation is a huge problem. That leaves you feeling tired, and it can seriously cloud your mind, causing the glymphatic system to leave waste products to build up, all of which disrupt neural connections and hamper mental performance. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation accelerates brain aging, increasing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Supporting brain detox is about making choices to enhance the glymphatic system. Focus on hydration. Water is essential for cerebrospinal fluid production, which drives the detox process. Next, incorporate aerobic exercise, which increases blood flow to the brain, supporting detox. Antioxidant-rich foods, like blueberries, leafy greens, and turmeric, protect brain cells from oxidative damage. Avoiding alcohol is a must, as it disrupts sleep cycles, impairing the glymphatic system. Lastly, relaxing habits, such as meditation, primes your body for restorative rest. In conclusion, adopting these lifestyle habits support a healthier brain detox, improving mental performance. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.